Open the Uniware panel to begin the process. In the left menu, go to Tool. Navigate to IP Configuration. The UniCapture camera setup screen will open. Click on Add Device. On to the next step. Download MediaMTX. MediaMTX. With this, you can turn your camera into a live browser stream in seconds. Right-click the downloaded zip file and choose Extract All. When asked where to extract, choose the C drive to save the file. Click Extract. A folder will be created containing several files. Now, open the extracted folder. Right-click on MediaMTX.exe to run it as administrator. Run. A black command window will open and start showing text. Do not close this window. MediaMTX must stay open for UniCapture to work. Now, add your camera details to complete the setup. Enter IP camera address. Now add username and password. Add port number. Contact the IT team to collect the camera. After successfully adding the NVR device, choose the setup type option and start adding the camera. Once these details are added for the camera, before saving, you need to test the camera connection. Click the Test Connection button. Wait a few seconds. UniCapture will try to connect to the camera. A live video preview will appear inside the panel, showing your camera view. Once the preview is visible, click Save. Your camera will now appear in the camera list for live viewing and recording. Once the camera is updated successfully, go back to the main menu. Click on Start Recording. From here, you can record forward packaging and return packaging flows. Your IP camera is now connected to UniCapture, giving you real-time visibility into your operations without the extra effort. Make every operational step visible, traceable, and easy to verify with UniCapture.